Hello designers, my name is Smith. In this video, I am going to take your design skill to next level by exploring Creo Advanced Constraints. But before get started, load config files. Config files controls Creo behavior. To load config files, click on File. Under File menu, click on Options. Here, click on Configuration Editor. Click on Import Export tab. Click on Import Configuration File. I have placed my configuration files on desktop. Click OK, yes, and OK. The config files link is given below in description. In this video, you will learn 7 constraints. Let's start with first constraint. Our first constraint is constraining component by using coordinate system. Click on Open. Here, click on Constraints folder, Coordinate System folder, and open Pivot Control Assembly. Here you can see 4 components, and this pivot arm is not fully constrained. Click Edit Definition. Here we will constrain this pivot arm by using coordinate system. Select Component Coordinate System. In Assembly item, click Assembly Coordinate System. And you will notice here the status is fully constrained. Click on Complete. Now click on Assembly Coordinate System. Here, change this angle from 30 degree to 60 degree. You will notice that the component snaps to its new location and constraint is fully constrained. Let's move to next constraint. Next constraint is constraining edge on surface by using Coincident constraint. Click Open. Open Ratchet Assembly. Here in Ratchet Assembly, there are 2 components. First is ratchet and second one is ratchet arm. Here you can see the ratchet arm is not fully constrained. Click on Drag component. Here move this ratchet arm to a suitable location. Click on Edit Definition. Here in Selection menu, click on Edge. Select Component Edge and select this surface. You can see status is fully constrained. Click on OK. Let's move to next constraint. Next constraint is constraining component by using Fix constraint. Open Fix folder. Open Pivot Control Fix Assembly. Here we will assemble pivot arm by using Fix constraint. Click on Edit Definition and here click on New Constraint. In Constraint Type, select Fix constraint. You can see here status is fully constrained. Click on OK. Let's move to next constraint. Next constraint is constraining point on line by using Coincident constraint. Click on Point on Line folder. Select Point on Line Assembly and click on Open. Here click on Picture Pushpin. Click on Edit Definition. Click on New Constraint. Here in Selection menu, click on Vertex. Select component vertex, and in assembly item, select this edge. You can see component is fully constrained. Click on OK. Now change the position of fixture slide. You can see this fixture push pin snaps to new location. Let's move to next constraint. Next constraint is constraining point-on-point by using coincident constraint. Click on Open. Select point-on-point folder. Here, open clutch assembly. Here you can see this spring is not fully constrained. Here, enable point display. Click on New Constraint. Here, from selection menu, click on Datum point. Select this point and this point. Click on New Constraint and rotate this component. Here again, click on Selection menu. Click on Datum point. Select this datum point and this datum point. You can see here status is fully constrained. Click on OK and move for next assembly. Next constraint is constraining point on surface by using coincident constraint. For that, open carburetor assembly. Here you can see idle screw is not fully constrained. Click on Edit Definition. Click on New Constraint. Select this vertex. And select this surface. Now you will notice the status is fully constrained. Click on OK. Now click on Control Arm. Click on Edit Definition. Click on Angle Offset and change this angle 65 to 80 degree. Here you can see this idle screw snap to new location. Close this assembly and move to next constraint. Next constraint is constraining two components by using tangent constraint. For that, click on Tangent folder. Open carburetor tangent assembly. Here we will assemble this control arm by using tangent constraint. For that, click on Edit Definition. Click on this surface and click on this surface. You can see status is fully constrained. And here constraint type is tangent. Click on OK. Now change the position of idle screw. Click on Edit Definition. Here change the distance from 0 to 3. You will see control arm snaps to new location. Click on Close. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.